Exploring Jack of all trades, mastering versatility. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating English phrase that you might have heard before, Jack of all trades. This phrase has a rich history and carries a unique meaning that can be both a compliment and a critique. Let's unravel the mystery behind this expression and how it can be used in everyday English. The phrase, Jack of all trades, originally referred to a person who is competent in many skills but might not be outstanding in any particular one. The term, Jack, here is a generic name often used to refer to the average man. Historically, being a Jack of all trades was highly valuable, as versatility and adaptability were key survival skills. Interestingly, the full expression is, Jack of all trades, master of none, though oftentimes better than master of one. While it might seem like a backhanded compliment, the complete saying actually highlights the advantage of being versatile. It suggests that being good at many things can be more useful than being excellent at just one, especially in situations that require a broad set of skills. In modern English, calling someone a Jack of all trades can be seen as praising their flexibility and wide range of abilities. It's often applied to individuals who are able to handle multiple tasks effectively, making them valuable in many professions. However, it's important to note the context, as it could also imply a lack of deep expertise in any one area. Let's look at how to use Jack of all trades in sentences. Alex is a true Jack of all trades. He can fix a leaky faucet, update computer software, and even cook a gourmet meal. In the startup world, being a Jack of all trades is more of an asset than a limitation. Understanding and using the phrase, Jack of all trades, can add a layer of nuance to your English conversations. It celebrates the versatility and adaptability of individuals in a variety of contexts. Whether you see it as a compliment or a critique, it's clear that being a Jack of all trades has its own unique value. Thank you for watching, and we hope this video has enriched your English vocabulary. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more engaging content.